We're good because that just gave me headaches. If it bothers recording or anything, just let me know, okay? It's just so they get proof as well that we've been doing the haircut you needed. Show them your work. Amazing. This is a graduated ball.
From that side, then undo that way. But if I go this side, then that side is.
Do whatever you feel more comfortable then. I just because sometimes when I do these everywhere, it's just very easy.